Hello, today I will tell you about working with context menus in .NET Browser. So first of all, we need to create a WPF project, then add the .NetBrowser NuGet package and the valid license file as embedded resources. You can find detailed instructions in the previous tutorials. Check out the links under this video. Now we need to mark up the main window. Let's add the XML namespace to the DotNetBrowser.Wpf library in the MainWindow.xaml. After that, create the WPF-BrowserView component and define its name and the initial URL. Now it's time to implement the MainWindow behavior. Create the SearchContextMenuHandler class and inherit it from the DotNetBrowser ContextMenuHandler interface. Generate the stubs for the methods which are declared in the interface. In this handler, we will need to use the Windows Dispatcher, so let's define the parentWindow field. Fill the parentWindow field from the constructor. Now go to the ShowContextMenu method and open the parentWindow.Dispatcher.BeginInvoke instruction. Create the menu item and set its header. Next, we need to define whether this command is enabled. It will be enabled if any text in the browser is selected. Define the menu item click handler. In this handler, we need to generate the URL which will be opened after the command execution. Let's use Bing for the search. The selected text will be the query argument for this service. Then execute the JavaScript which will open the new browser window with the generated URL as the initial address. After defining the menu item click handler, create the System.Windows.Controls.ContextMenu instance. Using the WPF ContextMenu component requires specifying the full name because it conflicts with the DotNetBrowser ContextMenu component. Add the searchMenuItem to the ContextMenuItems. Finally, open the context menu. The last step is setting the SearchContextMenuHandler instance as the browser's ContextMenuHandler. Inside the MainWindow constructor, after the InitializeComponent method call, fill the BrowserView.Browser.ContextMenuHandler property value with the new instance of the SearchContextMenuHandler class. Now you can build and launch your application. Thanks for watching!